Coordinate Geometry 11C. Now question number 14. In my previous videos I taught you till question number 13. Now today question number 14. Write down the equation of the line parallel to x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0 passing through the point 1 comma 2. So x minus 2y plus 8 equal to 0. So dear students, we have to find the slope of this line. Slope m equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Coefficient of x minus 1, there is no any. Okay, factors of 1 is the coefficient. Then upon minus 2, coefficient of y minus 2, my plus 1 upon 2. So parallel to, okay, slope m equal to 1 upon 2. So slope of line parallel to given line m dash equal to 1 upon 2. So equation of line, we have to find the equation of line passing through point 1 2 and parallel to this line means slope 1 upon 2. Slope is same. Okay, equation of line passing through 1.2 and parallel to given line. So equation of line y minus y1 m dash x minus x1. So dear student, this is x1, y1, y minus y1 means 2 equal to m dash means 1 upon 2, x minus 1. So cross multiply 2, y minus 2 equal to x minus 1, 2y minus 4 equal to x minus 1, x minus 1 equal to 2y minus 4, x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Okay, x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of line which is parallel to this line and passing through point 1 2. Okay, dear students. So dear student, question number 16. First part, lines 2x minus by plus 5 equal to 0 and ax plus 3y equal to 2 are parallel. Find the relation between relation connecting a and b. So first we will find the slope of first line and slope of second line. Okay, slope equal to slope m1 equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. This is minus 2 upon minus b, minus cancel. This is m1 equal to 2 upon b. Okay, now second line is ax plus 3y equal to 2. So slope m2 equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. This is minus a upon 3. Since both lines are parallel to each other, so m1 equal to m2, it is 2 upon b equal to minus a upon 3. So it is minus AB cross multiplication equal to 6. See, AB equal to minus 6, or we can say this, AB equal to minus 6. Number 18. A line intersect x-axis. A line intersect x-axis at minus 2, 0 and cut off y-axis intercept 3 from positive side of y. Write the equation of line. See, minus 2, 0. This is minus 2, 0 and cut off 3 is this. Intercept 3 positive y-axis. So it on y-axis x equal to 0 and y 3. Okay. So these are coordinate point in which this is the coordinate point in which line intersect y-axis. This is x-axis and y-axis is the origin 0, 0. Okay. Now we can find coordinate point in which on which straight line intersect y-axis equal to 0, 3. So equation of line, we have to find the equation of line passing through minus 2, 0. Equation of straight line passing through minus 2, 0 and 0, 3. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And equation of straight line passing through 2 points. Formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 bracket x minus x1. Y minus 0 equal to y2 3 minus y1 0 upon x2 0 minus x1 minus 2 minus plus x2 0 minus x1 means minus plus 2 x minus x1 minus x1 means minus 2 minus plus 2. Okay, then y equal to 3 upon 2 x plus 2 cross multiplication 2y equal to multiply 3x plus 6. So 3x plus 6 equal to 2y. 3x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. This is the equation of line which is passing through 2 points minus 2, 0 and 0, minus 3. Okay, dear students, write down the coordinate of the point P that divides the line joining A minus 4, 1 and B 17, 10 in the ratio 1:2. M1 is to M2 equal to 1:2. This is the first part of 21. Okay, first we will solve first part. Then we have to find the coordinate of the point P that divides A and B in the ratio 1:2. So you know formula in previous exercises you have studied x equal to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2, y equal to M1 y2 plus M2 y1 upon M1 plus M2. So x equal to M1 1 into this is x1 y1 x2 y2 M1 x2 into 17 plus M2 2 x1 minus 4 upon 1 plus 2 17 minus 8 upon 3 9 upon 3 1 जा 3 3 जा x equal to 3 and y equal to m1 means 1 into y2 10 plus m2 2 and y1 1 upon 1 plus 2 10 plus 2 upon 3 means 12 upon 3 3 1 जा 3 4 जा it is 4. So coordinate point of P equal to xy means 3, 4. Okay dear students. And second part, calculate the distance OP where O is origin. Origin is 0 0. Find, calculate the OP where O is origin is 0 0. P 3 4. So we have to find OP means distance between O and P. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So OP equal to distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. It is x2 means 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square, 3 square plus 4 square. It is 9 plus 16 25 equal to 5 unit. Okay dear students, OP equal to 5 unit. Now third part of question number 21. In what ratio does y-axis divide the line AB? AB means A minus 4 comma 1 and B 17 comma 10, and we have to find M1 is to M2 in what ratio? In what ratio y-axis divide the line AB? On y-axis x equal to 0. So we will find x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. At the place of x is put 0. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So we have to find m1 x2 17 plus m2 don't know, x1 minus 4 upon m1 plus m2. So we will do cross multiplication. It is 17 m1 minus 4 m2 equal to 0. 17 m1 equal to 4 m2. m1 upon m2 equal to 4 upon 17. m1 is to m2 equal to 4 is to 17. Okay dear students. So m1 is to m2 equal to 4 is to 17.